Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and I want to show you a short version of my big nature junk journal. And for the cover I used vintage fabric, vintage book. This is one of my paintings, my watercolor paintings I printed and I used it for the cover. So inside there are 4 signatures, and this is the first one, a journaling card, another tall journaling card, beautiful this page, 2 little journaling cards. They all have some kind of tea-dyed paper for the backs. And here is a flip. You can write here, and a journaling card. Tea-dyed paper. A lot of book pages, vintage book pages, vintage French dictionary, fabric tab, little detail with vintage tape, page from a book, bird book, this is the center of the first signature. I made 2 pockets out of glassine bags with 2 collage tags. Here I added a charm, little butterfly charm on the fabric tab actually. Butterfly book. This is a flip, a little collage. The bird page, flower book, here it's a corner duck spot. I'm adding some stamped little papers for you to decorate your journal. Sorry. Here is another flip, and I made a little notepad, some pages for you to write. And here it's another flip, it's an envelope flip, journaling card, and here it's also a little tuck spot if you want to use it as a tuck spot. So this is the end of the first signature. There are 2 pockets here with 2 small journaling cards. The second signature, I made a vellum pocket with some die cuts for you to decorate. Here is a page pocket, a little detail, flip. Here it's a pocket with a large journaling card. vintage dictionary page. Here it's a little envelope I made with some stickers. I don't know if I can reach. And there are more inside. Here another tab. Here it's a small envelope that I made. It's a gardening page, and this is actually the first page of the gardening book. This is the center of the second signature. It's a vellum paper that I printed, and there are two pockets, vellum pockets and lace with two journaling cards. This is handmade paper I made, and here it's another flip collage I made in the front, and it's a flip with beautiful tea-dyed paper. Beautiful paper, I use it for this page. And here it's a belly band, a large belly band collage I made, and here is just ephemera paper that I printed. And I'm including a seed envelope. I made a collage at the front. Here there's a pocket with a card, and here it's a window envelope that I made a pocket and a little card. The end of the second signature. The third signature, there's another window envelope that I made another journaling card. Here it's another pocket with another collage journaling card. Here it's a mushroom pocket and a little card. Here's a beautiful page, beautiful butterfly image, and there is a tall journaling card. Mushroom page, little stamp, little detail I made. This is beautiful vintage book page. A little pocket, corner tuck spot actually. Journaling card. Here it's another charm. This is a leaf. Little leaf, and this is the center for the signature. Fabric detail, more fabric tab, the back of the vintage book page. This is children's encyclopedia page. Fabric tab, mushroom page. Here it's a corner tuck spot and some more stamped paper for you. Here it's a beautiful, it's an insect encyclopedia, and page, and I use it to make this journaling card and this butterfly envelope. It's a vellum pocket, and it's at the end, and this is the last signature. Beautiful tea-dyed paper. Here it's a flip, and I made a collage, journaling card, detail, collage, fabric tab, another little detail I made. Here it's a tuck spot, and here it's a tiny envelope I made, vellum paper, and there are die cuts for you inside. Here it's a pocket, ephemera that I printed. If I can open. Here is another charm. It's a flower. Book page. And this is the center for the last signature. Here it's a beautiful lace pocket. Tab. Some fabric detail. This is a collage that I made, that I printed the page. And here is another tuck spot. Fabric detail. And here is the end of the signature. And I made a opening page. And here is a tall journaling card. You can write here, and also there's a journaling card and a little journaling card for the little pocket. And this is the last page. So this is my big nature journal, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you. Bye.